Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Khan. I'm an attorney at MNK Law and I am committed to empowering businesses to become the best version of themselves. We're carrying on with our 3 in 3 series, 3 topics in 3 minutes. Today we're doing a little something different. We're going to talk about Kevin Durant, Elon Musk, and former President Donald Trump. With that, let's start the clock. First topic, Kevin Durant and the New Jersey Nets. For those of you that follow sports, you know that Kevin Durant and the New Jersey Nets have been in a heated battle this whole summer. A lot of it surrounds Kevin Durant and his desire to stay on the New Jersey Nets. Well, Kevin signed a 4-year contract that provided he's going to continue to play basketball for the New Jersey Nets. For whatever reason, which we won't get into, sports fans, Kevin Durant didn't want to continue to play with the New Jersey Nets. What this situation tells us in businesses is that contracts matter and to be patient. Firstly, when it comes to contracts, he signed a 4-year deal. And he was trying to force his way out of the contract and away from the New Jersey Nets. Similar to your businesses, whether it's your business partners, critical employees, doctors, you want to make sure that you understand what your contracts say and ensure that everybody honors those. And also be patient while making decisions. The key is you don't want to rush. The Los Angeles Lakers years back did this with the late great Kobe Bryant, where Kobe Bryant demanded a trade. And the owners and the business decided, you know what, we're going to sit tight and let this pass. So did Mr. Osai and the New Jersey Nets ownership, and now we're in a position where Kevin Durant will be returning to the Nets. All right, next topic, Elon Musk and Twitter. This topic, we're not going to get into the weeds about the ongoing litigation and how this might shake out. What we want to do is impress upon all of you that if you're doing a purchase, a $44 billion purchase, you should conduct a financial and legal due diligence. Elon Musk and his team decided to forego that at the time and rely on SEC public filings, which is fine, those are supposed to be accurate, but anytime you're doing such a consequential purchase, it really behooves the buyer to do a proper due diligence. Second, and also troubling, if you're not going to do a proper due diligence, then you've got to look at the contract and take out what's known as a specific performance clause. This clause basically makes the buyer purchase the company, and that's what Twitter is going to try to enforce at this point. Now, this could be a grand scheme by Elon Musk to shave off $5 billion on the purchase price, but it's causing a lot of issues for him, potentially for Twitter. And what they could have done to avoid all of this is to take their time, do a proper due diligence, and then move forward. On to the next topic, last topic, former President Donald Trump. Again, this is a hot issue. We're not going to get into the Never Trumpers or the pro-Trump group. What we want to talk about is recently the raid, and more specifically, the request by Donald Trump's attorneys for a special master. For those of you that don't know, a special master is essentially a referee, and the referee takes a look at documentation and decides what the DOJ, the Department of Justice, can look at and what they can't look at, depending on different privileges. What you always want to think about in your court cases is 1, what are you asking the court to do? 2, when are you asking them to do it? And 3, why are you asking them to do it? Here, the what is they're asking the court to prevent the Department of Justice to look at certain documents and have those filtered through a special master or a referee. The issue here is the when. They're asking 2 weeks after the documents were seized. At this time, the DOJ has represented that they've already looked at the documents. So the point is kind of moot. And lastly, the why. Now, the attorneys and former President Trump might be doing this for different reasons, this challenge. It might be publicity reasons, putting it out there that they're acting against an unjust raid. So the why is not always about winning, but when you're in your case, think about the motions that are filed, why you're fighting the case, and what you're asking the court to do. With that, that's our 3 topics, 3 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, please send in any questions you have to info@mnklawyers.com or visit our website at mnklawyers.com. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.